Alright y'all, so I am super duper excited for today's video. Today is wash day. It's wash day, y'all, and I'm not talking about a little co-wash. Like, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty today. We're going to be deep conditioning, detangling, everything. So if you are ready, because I'm ready, but if you aren't ready, I'm going to need you to get ready now. And this is how you get ready, okay? Get close, get close. Hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so that way you're ready for all the videos that are coming after this one. But if you are ready to get into my wash day routine for type 4 hair, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so the first step that we're going to be doing is shampooing, and today I'm going to be using the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. You guys, this shampoo right here smells so amazing. This is literally only my second time using this shampoo, and you guys, it smells so amazing. And when it says that it is infused with biotin and encourages growth, I ain't gonna lie, but I think I've seen like a little inch or so ever since I've used it. But seriously guys, this shampoo is so amazing. Like, I love the way it smells and how it just really nourishes and cleans my scalp. Like, it says it has rosemary mint in it, and I'm telling y'all know how like mint feels all nice and tingly? Like, you definitely get that sensation when you're using this product. So that's what I'm gonna head to do first. I'm gonna wet my hair up, lather it up nice and good, and go in with the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo from Mielle Organics. So my hair is all nice and shampooed out, and it feels so amazing. I know y'all was seeing how much I was enjoying just massaging my scalp with this product. Like, y'all, this product makes your scalp feel so good. Like, I just feel like I went to the hair spa. This shampoo is amazing, okay? Amazing. And also, one thing I also wanted to mention was I did shampoo my hair twice. So I lathered my hair up with the shampoo twice and rinsed it out twice. And also make sure when you're shampooing your hair that you are massaging, because that's really going to help get that product into your scalp and penetrate those pores. So definitely make sure that you are massaging your hair throughout the whole entire process while you are washing your hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and condition my hair with the Maui Moisture. This is their Nourishing and Moisture Coconut Milk Conditioner, and it says for dry hair, and it also helps with hydration and detangling. And y'all, this is also silicone free. I love the Maui Moisture conditioners. I have used some of their shampoos too, but their conditioners are super duper bomb. And they also smell amazing. Like, whatever scent that it says on it, you're gonna get all of that nice flavor and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and condition my hair once with this. I'm just gonna lather it all up. And you also gotta be careful with this product because it is very, very slippery. And I like to massage the conditioner into my hair before I actually get it wet. So I'm just going to do that and then get it nice and wet and lather it up again. Alright y'all, so I'm all conditioned up. My hair feels amazing. Y'all gonna keep hearing me say that, amazing. But now I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition my hair. Now you guys, I'm gonna be using several products to deep condition just because I really like to go hard and go in with my deep conditioner just because my hair is so thick and it just eats up all that product so fast. So the first product that I am going to apply is from Mielle Organics as well, and it is their Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Y'all already know I'm about to say it. Their product is amazing. But I'm not lying to y'all. Like, I really do use these products lately to wash and condition my hair. So I'm not lying to y'all. These products are good, okay? Make sure you check that description box out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pump some into my hand. And honestly, I'm out of this one. So y'all should already know. I'm out of this one and I just got a new one. So that's just telling y'all, like, this product is the bomb, okay? So I'm about to use my fresh one. How do I get it to twist it open? Is it open? Oh my gosh, I popped the top. I popped the top. So first I'm going in with the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I'm gonna apply that all over. And when I deep condition my hair, I also try to make sure that I concentrate my products on the ends as well, because those are the oldest parts of your hair and they do need, in my opinion, they need a little bit more, just a little bit more love than the roots, just because they are kind of holding on by a thread. So just gonna get that, lather that all up and massage it in. And on this product, it does say that it's for thick, curly, type 4 hair, and I am gonna say their pomegranate and honey line does wonders on type 4 hair. So if you're looking at any of those products in that line and you have type 4 hair, you are definitely in good hands, okay? Now I'm going to go in. Now this is like an OG old school product. This product right here is like something that my mom used to use in my hair when I was younger, and it definitely helped like keep my hair nice and strong and healthy. It's the Queen Helene Cholesterol with Argan Hair Conditioning Cream, and this stuff is so good, y'all. Like, it definitely feeds your hair the nourishments that it needs. And this is also for dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. So if you are looking for a product that is going to help you in those areas, definitely check this product out. But I don't have to use a lot of this product just because it's so thick, but I am going to take a nice generous amount and just rub that all over my hair as well. And the next product that I'm going to be using is this silicone mix. Now, you guys, this product is like the secret sauce to dry and damaged hair. This definitely will bring your curls back to life. And you can also use this like in a spray bottle as a daily leave-in conditioner as well. And this product is a little bit more looser than the cholesterol one, so I don't have to use as much. But again, lathering it up all over my hands and just going in crazy with all these products. And I know y'all probably like, OMG, she is freaking crazy. Why she put all that in her hair? But y'all, I'm just telling y'all, like, these products are what has been getting my hair to do some amazing things, okay? Amazing things around here. I know you're probably like, another product, girl, for real? But I'm also kind of low-key doing the lock method on my hair right now. So the last product that I'm going to be using is the Wild Growth Oil. And I also like to use this as my daily oil to massage my scalp. This is one of the main oils that I have in my hair care regimen that has tremendously grown my hair. And also, if you have not seen my tips on how to grow your hair, definitely make sure that you check that video out. I am going to link that video to this video. But I'm just going to lather my hands up in the oil and just go all over, massage it in. And another reason why I am going so hard with the why I am going in with all these products is because I'm about to braid my hair up this week and actually wear a wig this week. So I want my hair to be nice and moisturized as much as possible. I'm still gonna like moisturize my hair throughout the week, but I just want to do a really good initial wash so I don't have to do as much throughout the week. Alright, y'all, so now we're going to detangle our hair. I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb first, and then I'm going to go through my ends with this Denman brush. So for the final step for my wash day routine, I'm going to take this plastic shower cap and I'm just going to put that on top of my head. And you guys, I like to let my deep conditioner sit in for about 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm just going to do some other stuff around the house while I have my shower cap on. And then I'm going to rinse my hair back out and get it ready for my next hairstyle. But you guys, that is all for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and if you did, do not forget to smash that like button and drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on my wash day routine for type 4 hair. And also let me know in the comments below what products that you guys use when you do your wash day routines. Give me some suggestions and tips for videos that you want to see next. But most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on and share this video with your friends. And also remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.